Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is a review of the Clever wig from Wille in the color Tobacco Rooted. This wig is hurting my head. I have an average large cap circumference, and this is a petite average wig, so yoinks, this is not a comfortable wig on me. So I'm not gonna be keeping this on my head for too long, but I wanna show you what it looks like before I do anything else. So let me just go ahead and get that out of the way. She's got a lot of layering, lots of it, particularly up here at the front. The bang is asymmetrically cut. She's a little bit longer over on this side. So if I part it, you can kind of see what I mean. It goes like that. And that is the bottommost layer here at the front is long like that, so definitely asymmetrically cut. But the rest of it is symmetrical and very choppy. Very, very choppy. Lots of layering. And lots of styling potential. And isn't this a pretty color? I love this tobacco rooted color. Let me go ahead and take this off so I can show you the cap construction. Now you may have saw when I tried to expose the lace front that it flipped up on me. And that's because it's not a good fitting cap construction. Like for me, I need a slightly bigger cap, at least an average. So this is too small. So when I went to go flip it, the whole thing flipped like that. Anyhow, I digress. This is a standard cap with a monofilament hand-tied crown and that lace front. And the ear tabs are closed and covered in kind of a fuzzy felt. We've got open wefts here on the sides and in the back. We also have an extended felt nape and Velcro adjusters. No tags. So this is a real Wille wig and it is really from China. So beautiful layering on this one, especially here in the back. That color really looks dynamite on this style. And there you go, even on somebody with a head too big for it, it still kind of looks cute. Now imagine if it actually fit well. So this is the Clever from Wille in the color Tobacco Rooted. I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com, that's CysterWigs.com. Hopefully you'll check out our wig store when you get a chance, and until next time, have a great night everybody. Bye-bye.